Hey, let's talk about labs. So we got some crazy stuff going on. You're going to be learning about something called two-body systems, which we have not lectured about yet. But let me show you what's... So I got a pulley system here. Ooh. What's going to happen is this. You set it up like so. You measure that height. That's going to be your displacement. Then, using a stopwatch, you measure the time it takes to go that displacement. Yay! All right, using that displacement and time, you should be able to find an acceleration. Once you have an acceleration, you should be able to find the net force. Now, that net force is going to be equal to the sum of two forces. Force 1, the force of gravity on this, which is 50 grams, 100, 100, 100, 150. That's a 0.5 kilogram weight. The other force on the system is going to be the force of gravity on this guy, a 50 and a 500. This is a 0.55 kilogram weight. Now, the only two forces on this system are those two forces. So please find me the net force using the sum of all forces. Once you got that, you're going to compare it to the first net force, because they should be the same, whether or not they actually are. You're going to use that to get a percent difference. That's going to tell you how off things are because of the equipment itself. Then you're going to follow the instructions. You're going to do a whole bunch, you're going to do a whole bunch of stuff, and you're going to keep in mind that percent error should be consistent. If you get a percent error bigger than that first one, then it ain't the equipment, it's probably something you did. But if it's within that percent error given to us by the equipment, given to us by the friction that's in the actual pulleys themselves, then pretty good. You can round it to zero and say, you know what, no, we did a good job here, and we can in fact say that the equations work as intended. All right, that's all you get. Do the best you can. Progress questions, the progress check, that's what it's called, is going to be on AP Classroom waiting for you. And then the design lab from yesterday, and then this lab. Have a good day. Have a good weekend.